If you have subscribed to Rajshri Food, please do click on the bell icon to get all the notifications. Brothers are special to us. So on this occasion of Rakshabandan, I make sure that I go out of my way to make something special for them. It's not necessary that you have to slog in the kitchen or spend too much time. Something quick and easy can be equally delectable. So today, I'm going to show you Custard Boondi. Let's start with making the custard first. I have 2 cups of full-fat milk here. Let's bring this to a boil. While the milk is boiling, let's quickly mix some custard powder in half a cup of milk. Let's add the remaining milk and make sure there are no lumps. The milk has come to a boil, and now into this I'm going to add around 3.5 tablespoons of sugar. Stir this till the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar dissolves, let's add in 1 tablespoon of Milk Masala Powder, half a teaspoon of Cardamom powder. Give this a mix. And next, let's add in the custard milk. After adding the custard, let the milk boil at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring till this becomes thick. This is done and I'm going to turn off the flame. Let's cool this down for at least 5 to 7 minutes before I fill it in the glass bowls. This is slightly cooled down and now I'm going to pour it in my glass bowls. Just fill the bowls up to 3/4 quantity. And now these go in the freezer to set for at least half an hour. While the custard is setting, let's quickly mix a few ingredients in the boondi. I have some sweetened boondi here. Into this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of the Milk Masala Powder. Also, I have some Praline here. Otherwise, you can even add some butterscotch pieces or break some chicky pieces into this. It just adds a nice crunch to the soft boondi and the custard. And this is done. The custard is nicely set, and now let's layer the boondi on top of it. Very carefully, layer the boondi mix on top. Let's also garnish it with some almond flakes. Chill these for at least 45 minutes before you're ready to serve, and enjoy this lovely dessert on this special occasion of Rakshabandan. See you soon. Bye-bye.